Want to offer a one-tap checkout that's faster and more secure for your customers? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up Apple Pay on your Shopify store. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Apple Pay is an accelerated checkout option that can boost your conversion rate, especially for mobile shoppers. The best part? It's often enabled by default. To verify, go to your Shopify admin and navigate to Settings, then Payments. If you have Shopify Payments activated and your store is in a supported country, Apple Pay should already be listed under the Wallet section. For it to be active, your store must be using a compatible theme and be served over HTTPS, which is standard for all Shopify stores. You can test it by adding a product to your cart and proceeding to checkout on a Safari browser. If it's not showing, ensure your Shopify Payments account is fully set up and in good standing. Apple Pay will automatically become available once the primary payment gateway is active. A crucial pro tip: the seamless, high-security experience of Apple Pay can make your store feel more premium and trustworthy. Promoting that you accept Apple Pay on your product pages can encourage sales from iPhone and Mac users. And just like that, you're offering a top-tier, frictionless payment method. Enabling Apple Pay meets the expectations of modern, mobile-first customers. Have you noticed a decrease in cart abandonment since offering Apple Pay? Share your data in the comments. For its Android counterpart, watch our next video on how to set up Google Pay in Shopify. Thanks for watching.